Hello everyone, just a quick video about how to look after your hands with regards to massage. And for me that's really important because I massage and my arms get tight, so there's a few things that I do, but today's video is just going to show you how to do a self massage for your hand. Okay, and I hope it helps. Thank you. Some of the things that you'll need are any kind of moisturising cream. I'm going to use E45, but you can use anything, it doesn't matter. And some of the tools you can use are things like gua sha, which you can get easily off eBay, Amazon or anywhere online. They're not expensive. But if you don't have those things and you don't want to buy those things, you can use teaspoon. Okay, so obviously what we're going to do is just apply a little bit of lotion. Get that in there so it's easier to glide. Now I do this on a regular basis because my job is massage, so I've got to look after my hands as much as possible. So you can use any kind of edge like this, which is ideal because it's rounded and it's smooth. And I'm just going to work into the areas which I find bring me tension and get a bit gritty. And you can use a pressure that is comfortable for you. Start off slowly and just begin to massage, and you'll notice some grittiness, which are likely adhesions within the muscles of the hand. And for me at this moment in time, right here is also a problem for me because, well, I use the hands every day. Also, I sleep quite heavily with my hand on my face, and creates a lot of pain on the top of the hand and around the hand. So you can just spend as long as you feel is comfortable for you. For me now, it's a few minutes. There's no set desired or recommended amount of time. I personally feel just do what feels right for you. Obviously you can use your thumb as well, but for now I'm just going to use the end of this teaspoon because it's sturdy, it's round and it's smooth, so that's actually an ideal tool. You might notice the area going red, which is good. That's blood flowing into the area. And that's what we want during any massage, because essentially the manipulation and movements that we do in massage is, yes, trying to manipulate the muscle, but it's also bringing warmth through the blood, which also carries the nutrients. And that is hopefully what's going to relax your tendons and your muscles wherever you're massaging. Okay, so we're just going to continue this. You can use your hand like this to massage with the spoon, or you can place it static and just rub your hand on it, and that's another way of doing it. And for me, this is a nice way to just, I suppose, unlock the tension that I'm feeling in my hands. And go in between your joints here, work along, and then also work on the top of the hand. So let's get some cream. Put the cream on here, get that nice and all over the area that you want to massage so that there's no drag or friction. So we're just going to continue to massage that. There's so many different ways you can do this. Today I'm just showing you how to do it with a spoon, basically. You can obviously use your other hand, but that other hand might be tired, so let's just do it like this for now. it might not look as relaxing or as therapeutic as your normal or classic massage where you're massaging major muscle groups like backs and legs and things like that. And in some ways, you'd be right. But my personal view is that where there's muscle anywhere in the body, there is some potential benefit to doing the right kind of massage. And you might ask, what is the right kind of massage? Well, that's going to be unique to every individual, the person who's receiving that massage and their personal preferences.